Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to replace the image in Canva. Let's begin. First of all, go to Elements and just search for frames. I'm only doing this so that it might be easier for you guys to understand. You can do this without inputting the frames. And go to Uploads. Just click an image of your choice and click and drag it. Now there you see you have an image in your frame, but sadly you put the wrong image. What to do? Just select the image and hit on the delete button. The image is deleted. Now go ahead and select the correct photo. Well guys, there you have it. That's how you replace an image in Canva. Hope you liked this video. For more informative videos like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.